The art world is changing. Digital paintings now sell for millions. Welcome to the world of NFTs. This essay is your guide to this exciting new technology. You will learn what NFTs are, how they work, and why they matter. Are you ready to unlock the potential of NFTs? Let's dive in. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. NFTs are unique digital items. They are like digital trading cards or limited edition sneakers. Each one is different and has a unique value. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are fungible. One Bitcoin is the same as another. NFTs are one of a kind. Imagine owning the only digital copy of a famous artwork or a rare in-game item. That's the power of NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, exist on blockchains. These digital assets are unique and cannot be replicated, making them different from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Blockchains are secure digital ledgers. They are decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over the entire network. This decentralization is what makes blockchains so secure and reliable for recording transactions. Think of them as digital record books. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. This immutability ensures the integrity of the data recorded on the blockchain. Every time an NFT is created or sold, it is recorded on the blockchain. This process is known as minting when an NFT is created, and it involves embedding the digital asset into the blockchain, making it a part of the permanent ledger. This makes NFTs very secure. The blockchain's transparency allows anyone to verify the authenticity and ownership of an NFT, reducing the risk of fraud and ensuring that the digital asset is genuine. Smart contracts are another key part of NFTs. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute and enforce the terms of the contract when certain conditions are met. They are like digital contracts. For example, a smart contract can be programmed to transfer ownership of an NFT to a buyer once payment is received, ensuring that the transaction is completed without the need for intermediaries. They automatically enforce the terms of an NFT sale or transfer. This automation reduces the risk of human error and ensures that all parties adhere to the agreed-upon terms, making the process more efficient and trustworthy. This ensures that the ownership of an NFT is always clear. The blockchain records every transaction involving the NFT, providing a transparent and unalterable history of ownership. This clarity is crucial for maintaining the value and authenticity of NFTs in the digital marketplace. NFTs are most famous for digital art, but their uses go far beyond that. NFTs can represent anything digital. This includes music, videos, virtual real estate, and even event tickets. Imagine attending a concert where your ticket is an NFT, or owning a piece of virtual land in your favorite game. The possibilities are endless. Ready to join the NFT revolution? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the digital world by storm, offering a new way to buy, sell, and own unique digital assets. Whether you're an artist looking to monetize your work, a collector hunting for rare items, or an investor seeking new opportunities, NFTs provide a platform for everyone. But how do you get started in this exciting new space? The first step is to set up a crypto wallet. This digital wallet will be your gateway to the world of NFTs. It functions much like a traditional wallet but is designed to store digital currencies and assets securely. Think of it as your personal vault for all things digital. This is where you will store your NFTs and any cryptocurrency you use to buy them. Your wallet will also allow you to interact with various NFT marketplaces and platforms. It's crucial to choose a wallet that is both secure and user-friendly. Popular wallets include MetaMask and Coinbase Wallet. MetaMask is widely used for its ease of integration with most NFT platforms, while Coinbase Wallet offers robust security features and is backed by one of the most trusted names in the crypto space. Next, you need to choose an NFT marketplace. These platforms are where you can browse, buy, and sell NFTs. Each marketplace has its own unique features, fees, and types of NFTs available, so it's important to do your research and find one that suits your needs. Marketplaces are like online stores for NFTs. They provide a platform for artists to showcase their work and for buyers to discover and purchase unique digital items. Some marketplaces focus on specific types of NFTs, such as digital art, music, or virtual real estate. Popular options include OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway. OpenSea is one of the largest and most versatile marketplaces, offering a wide range of NFTs. Rarible allows users to create and sell their own NFTs, while Nifty Gateway focuses on high-end digital art and exclusive drops. Once you have chosen a marketplace, you can browse and buy NFTs. Take your time to explore the different categories and find items that interest you. When you find something you like, you can purchase it using the cryptocurrency stored in your wallet. Selling NFTs is also easy. If you're an artist or creator, you can list your digital work for sale on a marketplace. This process usually involves uploading your file, adding a description, and setting a price. Some platforms also allow you to set royalties, so you earn a percentage of future sales. Simply list your NFT on a marketplace and set your price. Once your NFT is listed, it becomes available for buyers to discover and purchase. Keep an eye on your listings and engage with potential buyers to increase your chances of making a sale. With the right approach, buying and selling NFTs can be a rewarding experience. Section 6. Navigating the Hype NFT Investment Considerations. NFTs can be valuable investments, but it's important to be careful. The NFT market is still new and can be volatile. Some NFTs may lose value while others could increase significantly. Before investing in NFTs, do your research. Understand the risks involved. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 7. Spotting Gems and Duds, Best and Worst NFT Projects. In the ever-evolving world of NFTs, it's crucial to distinguish between projects that have genuine potential and those that are merely riding the wave of hype. This section will guide you through identifying the best and worst NFT projects, helping you make informed decisions in this dynamic market. Not all NFTs are created equal. While some NFTs boast unique art, strong communities, and innovative use cases, others may lack substance and are created solely to capitalize on the current trend. It's essential to evaluate each project on its own merits. Some NFT projects are more likely to be successful than others. Factors such as the originality of the artwork, the reputation of the creators, and the project's roadmap play significant roles in determining an NFT's potential for success. Projects with clear, achievable goals and active development are often more promising. Trusted and valuable projects include CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. These projects have not only stood the test of time, but have also set benchmarks in the NFT space. Their success can be attributed to their pioneering status, unique art, and the strong communities that support them. These projects have strong communities and a track record of success. A vibrant and engaged community can significantly enhance the value and longevity of an NFT project. Active participation, regular updates, and community-driven initiatives are indicators of a healthy project. Be wary of hyped-up celebrity NFTs or projects with little utility. While celebrity endorsements can bring attention to a project, they don't guarantee its success. It's important to look beyond the hype and assess the project's actual value and utility. These projects are often driven by hype and may not hold their value. Many investors have been lured by the promise of quick profits, only to find themselves holding assets that rapidly depreciate. Conduct thorough research and be cautious of projects that seem too good to be true. To spot the best NFT projects, consider factors such as the uniqueness of the art, the credibility of the team, the project's roadmap, and the level of community engagement. By doing your due diligence, you can increase your chances of finding valuable and sustainable NFT investments. In conclusion, the NFT space is filled with both opportunities and pitfalls. By carefully evaluating each project and staying informed, you can navigate this exciting market with confidence and make well-informed investment decisions. Section 8. The Future of Ownership, NFTs and Beyond. NFTs represent a new era of digital ownership. They give creators more control over their work. They empower collectors with true ownership of digital assets. The future of NFTs is bright. As the technology evolves, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for NFTs. Section 9. Your NFT journey starts now. NFTs are changing the way we think about digital ownership. This is your chance to be a part of it. Do your research, explore different NFT projects, and consider making your first purchase. What NFT projects do you think will stand the test of time?